Experience driving perfection in the 2012 Ford Fusion. This four-door, five-passenger sedan provides exceptional value. It distinguishes itself from the competition with features such as delay-off headlights, one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, a built-in garage door transmitter, heated door mirrors, and a split folding rear seat. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.